Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to look at the determinant of 3 by 3 or large square matrix. So first of all, we all know how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So for example, if you have this matrix here, if you have 3, 4, 2, minus 3 in the brackets, then how to find the determinant? You multiply the major diagonal and the minor diagonal, then you subtract. Then here it will be 3 by negative 3, which is so you're going to do 3 by negative 3 minus here, then 2 by 4, 2 by 4, which is equals to 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. Here it is minus, so 2 times 4, which is 8. Then negative 9 minus 8, and here we're going to have 17. So this is the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So let's find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. If you are given a matrix like this one, 3, 2, 1, 4, minus 3, 2, 1, 5, minus 1. In the square brackets, square matrix. So here you indicate positive, minus, positive. First of all, here what you have to do, to find the determinant of 3 by 3, you have to cross, you have to take, this is example number 2, you have to take these 3 here as a coefficient. Then when you cross here and here, you're going to remain with the negative 3 times the negative 1, which is the positive 3, 2 times the 5, which is the minus 10. Then we follow the sign here, there's negative, so it will be minus 4. We take this 4 here. Then in which it will be, when you cross here, 4, and here we're going to remain with it. When you cross here and here, you're going to remain with the 2. 2 times the negative 1, which is negative 2. 1 times 5, which is 5. So here it will be minus 5. Then the last one, plus c, we take this sign, plus c, 1, open brackets, 2, 1, 4, minus 3, 2, 1, 5, minus 1, matrix. So now we are crossing the last law. So we are going to cross this one. Then here is positive and here is 1. So we are going to remain with it. We are going to remain with it. So here we have 3 minus 10, minus 4, minus 2, minus 5. Then plus 1. This is a 1 which we have at the last law. Then we remain with it. 2 times 2, which is 4. Then 1 times negative 3, which is negative, and there is negative when you are subtracting the determinant of minor diagonal and major diagonal, so it will be positive 3. So let's expand this one. We are going to have 3 minus 7 here, minus 4, minus 7. Then here we have plus 1. Then 4 plus 3, which is 7. Then 3 times the negative 7, we are going to have negative 21. Then here negative 4 times negative 7, which is positive 28. Then 1 times 7, which is plus 7, which is going to be Negative 21 plus 28, it is 7. So 7 plus 7. So our determinant will be 14. This is the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix.